Are you ready?
I am.
Hold on to that tightly.
Welcome. I'm so glad you could join me today. I'm here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. I'm on the Smoky Mountain Alpine Coaster. I'm so glad you can come and be here with me today. But first, before we take off, my channel is all about travel. So if you like destination information, travel hacks, deals, and reviews, then this channel is for you. So let's go! Woo! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I don't want to lose my phone. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Rocky Top Alpine Coaster in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee is the longest alpine coaster, not only in Tennessee, but also in the US, lasting for about 9 minutes. It's also the first in the world with 4, count them, 4 uplifts. Take in the beauty of the Smoky Mountains as you twist and turn through the 360-degree turns, whip through multiple tunnels. Oh, there's a tunnel! Woo! You'll find some funny jokes and entertaining props along the way, too. They're so funny, they have jokes. Each car can go up to 30 miles per hour.
Push your handles to go fast. The bears are coming.
Don't worry, if that's too fast for you, that's not a problem. You get to control the speed. When starting out and going uphill, you can relax. The ride takes over to move you along. There are also several forced stops along the way to make sure you're not going to bump into another rider. I guess they have spots where you stop. This Pigeon Forge Alpine Coaster is good for all ages, starting at 3 years up and older. You can find current times of operation, contact info, and pricing on their website. I'll post that in the description box below. It's an extra unique alpine coaster ride by experiencing the fun at night. I watched the sun go down as the coaster lights went up. Oh wow, this is so cool. A totally unforgettable experience. Oh my gosh. When you're ready to ride, I have a link for you in the description below with the lowest price guarantee where you can conveniently reserve your tickets in advance online so you can skip the line. They also allow you free cancellation within 24 hours of advance notice if needed, so be sure to use that link. You'll find them at 2940 Veterans Boulevard in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. I found it tons of fun and reasonably priced. This ride is great for alpine coaster lovers and those who like a more mild coaster ride. I rate this a 9 out of 10 for things to do in Pigeon Forge. So, if you want to get your tickets in advance, I have that affiliate link below so that you can skip the line and get the lowest price guarantee. So tell me, is this the type of ride that you'd like to go on, or have you rode this ride before? Do you like alpine coasters? I'd love to know, where should my next alpine coaster be? So if you can answer any of those questions, I'd love to hear. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to check out some of my other travel videos.
Thank you for riding the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster.
That was fun. I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining in. Bye-bye.